Mr. Gallup here to show you how to put on the protective case on your laptop. You want to make sure you do this carefully since you will have to pay for any damaged cases just like you would for a damaged computer. So here are the two pieces of the case. Now we're going to work with the bottom first. The bottom, you can tell, has that bar across there. So just put it down on your desk with these two tabs facing away from you. Now these are the parts that are going to break if you're not really careful. So to make sure we don't break them, take your laptop and you're going to slide these back corners into those little hooks. So press down the back corner and just slide it forward until you hook these little hooks on the back. Once you've done that, just gently press along the sides all the way up to the front and it pops right in. That way, everything's on and it's secure. Now we're going to do the same thing with the top. Again, you're going to hook these on the back and then gently press all the way up until everything's popped on. And you're ready to go. Now to take the case off, all you got to do is do the same thing. Start at the back, pop the little corners up, and then just gently pull it up until it comes off. Same thing on the back, gently pop the corners up, and just work your way down until you can pull it off, and you're done. Remember, treat the computer and the case like a textbook and don't write on it or put stickers on it. If you have any questions, just come to the Media Center.